Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva for beginners, step by step. Canva is an easy-to-use design platform for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more. First, go to canva.com and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. An account is necessary to save your designs and access templates. Once logged in, you'll see the Canva dashboard. Browse templates, recent designs, and folders, and take a few minutes to explore the interface. Click Create a Design and choose the type of project: Instagram post, presentation, or custom dimensions. Choosing the right design type helps your project look professional from the start. Canva provides thousands of templates. Select one that fits your project or start blank if you want full control. Templates make it easy to create beautiful designs quickly. Click on text boxes to edit content, change fonts, sizes, and colors. Add images, icons, or shapes from the left sidebar, and drag and drop elements to arrange them. You can also upload your own photos via Uploads for personal branding or unique content. When your design is ready, click Share or Download, choose the format: PNG, JPG, or PDF, and save it. Pro tips: use consistent fonts and colors, explore free elements, and use grids for alignment. These small tips make your designs look professional even if you're just starting. And yeah, that's how to use Canva for beginners in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.